Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. This is only a small portion of the wood gear that I have purchased for this upcoming 2022 season. And, you know, painting is time-consuming and it can be expensive depending on how you get your paint, where you get your paint, all kinds of stuff. So I went online and found a treatment that I've seen a couple people use called Eco Wood Treatment. I know they sell it at Man Lake. However, Man Lake charges you, I think it's $50 for a 1 gallon packet, and this was $56 on Amazon Prime for a 5 gallon kit. So basically, I'm going to open it up and see what comes inside because I haven't opened it yet. Alright, so essentially you open this pack of, I guess it's minerals because it's non-toxic, VOC free, and you basically just submerge your wood gear in it and let it dry. And it treats all the cracks, crevices, end grains, places you can't necessarily get with your paintbrush. So what I'm gonna do, just a small bit of this today. I've got 25 boxes total to do. I've got 10 tops, 10 bottoms to do. So I was just gonna do a small sampling of these and show you what I do, and we'll see how it goes. So I just got a black tote here. It's a big one, so hopefully 5 gallons might not be deep enough in this tote. And I've got a 5 gallon pail that I can just add water to it. So I'm gonna add the water in and then put the chemicals in, stir it up with my little stick here, and just start dipping and letting it dry. So I moved one of the other stands that I just removed from back there. I put it over here because I figured it'd be a good drying rack today, and you know, let's see how it goes. It's supposed to turn it a like a silvery color when it's done. Hopefully you guys can see that, and let's see how that comes out when it dries. And it's supposed to let the wood breathe, let the moisture come out, because a lot of times when you paint, from what I'm gathering, is the moisture sets in behind the paint, and that's what causes the flaking and chipping, and also the rot that gets behind there. So anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna mix this up and bring you along and just show you how I do it. This is also the bucket I use for my 1-to-1 sugar syrup. I've rinsed it out. And I'm just gonna put it in this tote I've got over here. And then I'll mix the stuff in. So I just really want to see how deep it's gonna be. So I've got to be able to submerge at least one side, right? That's pretty close. I'll actually add more. Let me just drag this tote here. It's just an old tote. I'm actually going to add a little bit more water just because I didn't fill it totally to the top. Probably about there. Then I got the Eco Wood Treatment, non-toxic, and there's a silver pack here. I was hoping that it would just tear, but you know, oh, it just has a Ziploc on the inside. So my stepdaughter just started her car up right in the middle of my video. We'll just put that chemical in there. It's just minerals. And get my trusty stick here. Just give it a good go. The water's kind of cold, so it might be a little bit harder to get it to dissolve. The bees haven't started to fly yet today. And just like that, knocking pieces of bark off my stick here. We're just gonna try to continue. Just mix it up a little bit. Probably should have done this with hotter water, but what can you do? I don't have any way to heat it outside. That's getting there, but I still see stuff in the bottom. That's pretty good. Let's see what it does here. Just got a bottom board, 10 frame bottom here, that probably won't look that different when you first get it out, but it's supposed to gray it over time. So I'm just making sure that all the surfaces are coated and wet. Then we're just gonna set this to dry. Put it right there. And we'll get a top here. Just gonna submerge that. And just like that. Let it drip because we want, oh, got some bees, dead bees. Let that submerge and dry there. And then with the box, you're pretty much gonna have to do one side, then rotate it, just getting it wet, and rotating it again. Just want to make sure that the whole thing is saturated. Yep, inside and out. And I'm gonna turn it upside down just because I want to make sure the underside of the handles are getting head. And just like that, once we get that dripped out of there, done. So it's much quicker than painting. I'm just gonna, whoop, not splash it all over. This one's actually got some nails I need to bang down because my brad nailer wasn't working good. We'll just let that drip a second. Hey everybody, so I'm done dipping all my boxes and baseboards and lids, migratory covers, and just show you again, this is called Eco Wood Treatment. EcoWoodTreatment.com is the website, but they don't sell it there. I bought the 5-gallon package, so you mix this one package, comes in here. You mix it in 5 gallons of water, stir it up, and then just dip all the boxes. And you can see this is already starting to gray up pretty nicely. I mean, that's pretty impressive. I mean, it's starting to dry, and as it dries, it's going to change color darker and darker. And it's supposed to get this dark color right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but dark color on the box. You know, we'll see what happens. It's starting to warm up out here a little bit today. Oh, and let me show you how much I got left over. So I used a 5-gallon jug of water, and I still got, after doing all that, let me pour it back in this bucket, and we'll see. All right, so we're gonna try to pour this back in this bucket, because just to see how much we used out of the 5-gallon pail, and this stays wow, y'all, I still have damn near 5 gallons left, so I should be able to use that again. I'll just put a lid on that. You can see it's about 5 gallons. There you go. So here we are at the Great Wall of Hive Bodies. I got the ducks coming to see me. Got the chickens coming to see me. Sitting back here. So the Eco Wood Treatment, we'll see. I've looked at some YouTube videos, and I see where they've said that I've seen some people that have used this before, and it's lasted them so far 5 years. So we'll see what happens. For me, it was a time saver. It's eco-friendly. It treats both inside and outside of the box, the seams, the handles, everything. And it, as you saw in the video just a few seconds. Ooh, look at that, guys. Hawk. Can you see the hawk over there? Maybe not. They're probably looking for my chickens or my ducks. They want a chicken or duck dinner today. But yeah, guys, so it's really you know, something that we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated on the status of the Eco Wood Treatment. But I'm really going on some words of some other beekeepers, and they sell it at Man Lake. Man Lake only sells the 1 gallon packet. So it costs about 3 times as much as you can get it on Amazon. So Amazon.com, I Prime shipment. I ordered it day before yesterday, so it's here today. So anyway, we got it. I got 5 gallons left over. So if you got some wood gear and you want to bring it by and dip it, feel free. I'll share the wealth. We'll just dump it in the tote, sit out here, and have us a good time. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and you know, trying to grow the channel as much as possible. And I'm going to be putting out a bunch of videos because I've got a ton of frames. A ton. I got 250 frames, y'all. So I've got to do that. That's just what I bought. I still have frames that I need to re-wax and get ready and get everything together. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to speed through most of this, so at the beginning. So you guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon. Happy beekeeping.